Put your seatbelt on, because we're going on for, Put your seatbelt on, because we're going on for, Put your seatbelt on, because we're going for a wild ride today. Hi guys. I want to make blueberry muffins really bad, and I bought blueberry muffin mix. It sounds weird. Blueberry muffin mix. And I have all my stuff ready to go to the kitchen and make it, but I forgot eggs. So I have to go to the store and get some eggs. And what am I forgetting? My wallet. I have to pay, okay. That sucks. Okay. Wild blueberry. I went to Target in New York City, which is really hard to find, just for this, because I loved these blueberry muffins as a kid, and I want to make them again. But you need 3/4 cup of water. Okay, I have water in my house. Vegetable oil, I have that, and then 2 eggs, and I don't have that. So I'm gonna run downstairs to the store, and I'm gonna get some eggs. It'll probably be like $5. Worth it. Let's go. I was going to do a weekly vlog, but I woke up and it was pouring, so I decided, since I can't really go outside or do anything or show you guys any cool parts of New York City or my life, we are going to make blueberry muffins. I mean, I planned on doing it anyways, but you guys can come along in the journey with me. And these are my favorite blueberry muffins because they're Betty Crocker. And I always used to make these with my mom. I already know what it tastes like, so it's not even like a review, but I'll still describe it as like a review. We're making blueberries. Blueberry muffins, because you can't make blueberries. Do I need milk? No. All I need is water, vegetable oil, and eggs. And this. This bowl looks good. It's orange because it's literally the bowl my mom used to use to pass out like Halloween candy. But I stole it and I brought it here from Louisiana because I just couldn't go to the store and buy a bowl. I needed this one. Vegetable oil from... This says canola oil. Is that the same thing? I don't know. Okay, well, we're gonna use this as vegetable oil. We're gonna open this bad boy. First, I have to drain the blueberries and let them like kind of rinse in the water. Do we own a can opener? Yes. We own 1 can opener and we own 80 million spatula. Oh my god. And counting. Unnecessary. So I always like washing the can off of things. Like the can off on the top before opening it, because once my dad actually told me this, that like this lady had apparently died randomly and they found out why, and it was because there was like rat pee. This is really gross. There was rat pee like on top of the can and she didn't clean it, and when she opened the can, like got inside or something. Some lady in like Iowa, and she died. And so I always clean it. This could all just be like one huge lie, so don't take my word for it, but I would still wash your cans just in case. I opened it. It's very red, maroon. I don't know the color. Are these even blueberries? They don't look like blueberries. Let them sit in that water, and then while they're like rinsing, you just make the batch, which all you have to do is put the mix in there with the vegetable oil and the eggs and put it all together, and then you put the blueberries in there, and then it tastes delicious. I really hope the canola, is that how you say it? Oh, canola. Oh my god, I've been watching too many Brother Nature videos.
Is that who I think it is? Is that Canela the Savage right there? With Teenage Carmen? Oh.
I love this kind of cup. I think this is from IKEA. Speaking of IKEA, love. 1/4, okay. And 3/4 cup of water. I always use like cold water because I think warm water would make it taste gross, right? There's a lot of water. So when I crack eggs, I've never ever cracked an egg and then broke the shell. Like, got the shell in whatever I'm making. I don't know how. All I'm saying is I'm proud of myself because I've never had an eggshell go into whatever I'm making. Eee. And now my favorite part, the whisk. So I also brought this whisk. Remember, I've lived in New York for 4 years. I am an adult, a functioning adult. And I brought this whisk from home because I like this one the best and I didn't want to pay for a new one. Yay! This is my favorite part because I feel like I'm making kind of like junk food, because obviously this isn't good for you, but I feel like I'm getting a workout. so it kind of like counteracts, you know? So for all the blueberry muffins I eat, whenever they're done, I like burned one off right now. Oh my god, exactly how I remember it. And that's the end of my video. I really just planned on eating the batter. It's time to put in the blueberries and time for me to stop eating it. You always want to taste the batter before you put the blueberries in because the blueberries, you have to be really gentle with them, and I feel like they kind of mess up the batter taste a little bit. I mean, obviously they don't mess it up, but you don't want to get like blueberry chunk when you're tasting the batter. You want to get the batter chunk. Well, that's also not true because you want the batter to be blended in. I'm the only one eating these muffins, so. Turns out I only have one cupcake thing. I think it makes 12 cupcakes, so that's a problem. I don't want to make a loaf of bread. It doesn't taste the same. I want to make muffins. I don't want to make bread. Is this Betty Crocker too? This isn't mine, but this is also Betty Crocker. I'm in a Betty Crocker mood. So if these are fake blueberries, would they just be called flueberries? I'm just eating the extra. Oven is preheated. Yay! How long do they have to go in for? Hopefully like 5 minutes. 15 to 20. Looks like I'm gonna spend the next 40 minutes making 12 muffins. Should I set a timer or should I just wing it? Simon would tell me to wing it. I'm gonna set a timer. It's ready. Toothpicks. If you don't know why toothpicks are important for baking, you're about to find out. So you wanna make sure that the inside's cooked, and the only way to do that is like stick the toothpick in, take it out. If it's clean, it's good. It's not clean, it's like moist. So it's not ready. So I'm gonna put it back in. I look like a hick. We're gonna add like 3 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It looks really hot. We have such a weird assortment of spoons because like there's 4 of us in this house and we all have different silverware from different places, and there's one golden spoon. Just one. Okay, this isn't even a muffin anymore. This is not how you take this out. Wow, that looks so sad. What the? We have learned that you need to buy the cupcake holder things. Oh. I also just realized I'm wearing this shirt that says Rebel with a cause. I feel as if I have to explain that. I like this shirt because it's yellow and I try to like hide it at all costs and hide the saying because I don't really like it, but I just like the yellow and I couldn't. It was like an impulse buy because I wanted to buy a yellow shirt and this is the only one I could find. Time to try this muffin. I don't know, it doesn't really taste like anything yet. Oh, hot. I don't think they're ready. I honestly think they need a little more time because the bottom's a little gooey, but the top isn't, so the toothpick trick kind of lied. All in all, I think this is a great mix, but I think it tastes better if you make it at home with your mom. There's like some motherly love in there that you need. It just doesn't feel like it was made with love. So yeah, that's my review on it. They're really good, highly recommend, but make it with your mom and it'll taste better. I'm still gonna eat it though. I hate when people talk when they have food in their mouths and I just did it and I'm a hypocrite. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. I hope you're inspired to go make some blueberry muffins and to spend some quality time with your mom if you can. Comment anything you want down below. I like reading your comments. I like hearing the random things that you think about whenever you see this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Sorry about not having a vlog this week, but I hope to make up for it and I hope you guys had some fun watching me make mediocre muffins. Have a good week. Bye.